Hello! Today, we will introduce you to Tescom Static Transfer Switches. What is a static transfer switch? Tescom Static Transfer Switches seamlessly switch between two independent alternating current power sources to ensure continuity of the load. When the primary source goes out of tolerance, switching is performed automatically or manually by the operator from the front panel or remotely. When the primary source returns to normal, it takes over the load without interruption. Tescom Static Transfer Switches provide maximum power continuity for critical loads in industrial facilities and data centers. By offering total protection against network or load failures, they guarantee uninterrupted operation of the system even during maintenance. Therefore, backup power supplies and uninterrupted continuity of critical loads are of great importance. Tescom produced Turkey's first static transfer switch in 2003 and is proud to be the only Turkish company producing three-phase STS as of 2011. Tescom has made a name for itself in foreign markets with this product, and its devices are used at critical points in many public institutions and private companies. STS 2000. STS 2000 single-phase switching, 2 AC input STS with 32 to 120 ampere power range, offers less than 4 millisecond transfer time with break before make type. It can be controlled automatically, manually, and remotely, and provides cooling with 3 relay outputs and redundant fans. It improves energy quality and reduces the effects of interference and interruptions. It has overload, electronic short circuit, over temperature, and backfeed protection. Optional hot swappable version available. This allows a component to be replaced or serviced even while the device is operational, ensuring uninterrupted system operation. It complies with EN 62310-1 and EN 62310-2 standards. STS 3000 and 4000. STS 3000 has a 3-phase output and 3-pole. STS 4000 has a 3-phase output and 4-pole with a power range of 50 to 1000 amps. STS with 3-phase switching, high efficiency, fast transfer time, can be controlled automatically, manually, or remotely. With its adjustable input frequency, programmable relay outputs, RS-232 communication port, and redundant fan system, it improves energy quality, protects against short interruptions, and offers the opportunity to monitor energy resources remotely. Thank you for watching our video. Follow us on social media for more information and to be informed about our products.